Probably shouldn't have did that because I woke up at like 7 o'clock. I did my hair yesterday, first time ever. Like, y'all, I did my own freaking braids. Like, that's so crazy. But I'll be doing another cleaning video today. Also, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, like, subscribe, comment. It's all free. So why don't y'all come join the family, okay? You know, come join us or join me. Yeah. But if y'all want to see like a braid tutorial, like, let me know. Because I did these by myself. My own hair. Like, I thought it was gonna be hard AF, but it wasn't. It was really easy. Right now the kiddos are sleeping. I'm probably gonna start on cooking. I don't know what I want. I might do some breakfast or something, but I'm definitely gonna do another cleaning video, whatnot. It's like stuff everywhere in the house, but I'm not ready to like show myself cleaning my living room and stuff because it's not really that dirty. It's like I'm about to get ready to get it in. It's kind of cool. So yeah. Talk to y'all in a minute.
Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I gotta protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, I can't let you go. I know. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Oh my gosh, Cody.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, going alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning in a given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it, you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She don't want the things, and she love me, I pray to freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. 40,000 miles up in the air. Only time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check. It ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go. We only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta. I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix. I built this shit forever. Have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money. This ain't no fucking play though. Wrote it down for double homicide. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign the deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we get a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama's house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how
Just told me a guy just lost his own. And I normally don't talk about my husband's job, just out of respect for him. But you know, I would like to say a quick prayer for the guy, because the job is dangerous. You know, they work with crazy machinery, hot liquid plastic, and it just happened. A guy lost his arm, you know, at the job. And it's crazy because you walk in there ready to work and you have something happen and you can lose a body part. That's why he doesn't wear his ring up there, because they can't wear rings, because specifically if they put their hand in the machine, their hand could get, they could lose a finger, they could lose a hand, they can lose. Say a quick prayer for the guy and his family, you know. Please say a quick prayer for my husband's job and all the people that work there, and especially the guy that is going through what he's going through right now. So, thank you. Back to the video.
living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, first taught me that way back. Cuno took it off, I was always talking, I'm saying, oh, where you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I'll pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling.
Testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, who's kidding? I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. How can me you're not it. I be born when you're not it. I'm saying, I can't lose without you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody do better like you do. I can't lose without with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody do better like you do.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way.